Hey everyone, welcome to Coding with Nathan. I'm Nathan. If you're completely new to programming, want to start learning Python, the very first thing you need to do is install Python and Visual Studio Code, because this is what we are going to use to do these lessons. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire setup step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything ready to start coding. So let's get started. So first we're going to install Python. This is the actual programming language, and then Visual Studio Code, and this is a free code editor that we'll use to write our Python programs. I'll also show you how to install the most important extensions so your VS Code is perfectly set up for Python and looks exactly like ours, the one in the demo, does. Okay, so first we're going to install Python, so go to the official Python website. We got it up here. It's python.org. You can go to /downloads or probably click on this download button. What you're looking for is this button here, orange button right here. It says download Python install manager. At the time of this recording, the current version is Python 3.14.4, but you just want the most recent version, whatever that is. And so you press this and download it. Simple as that. All right, so once it's downloaded, just go up here, click on it, and we're gonna reinstall because we're just doing this for a demo. All right. So, okay. All right, so normally there is a checkbox on the screen that says add Python to your path, and if you really want to do that. So other than that, that's all you do. So let's make sure it's installed correctly. And for doing that, we're going to go here. And all you need to do is type Python -- version, and should display your current version of Python. And if that comes up, then you have it installed correctly. All right, next we're going to go install Visual Studio Code. So we go to this page here. It's code.visualstudiocode.com. Click download for Windows. It's going to download it. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to go here, run this. We already have this installed. So, of course, got to accept. And we need this add to path and register the code editors for supported file types. That's what we suggest you have. You can have a desktop icon if you want. In fact, we'll do that. All right. And you let that install. All right. So after that installs, we want to launch it. So we're going to launch Visual Studio Code. All right, so here we are in Visual Studio Code. So on the left sidebar, we want to click the extensions right here. What we want to install first is Python. Just this. We already have this installed, so it won't let us do it. The next thing you want to install is Pylance, which is this. And then we have Jupyter. J. Yes, we will learn how to type. Okay. And we have that installed already also. And then the last one is the black formatter, which is this by Microsoft, and it is already installed also. So after installing each one, if it asks you to reload, go ahead and reload. Next, we need to tell VS Code which Python we want to use. So, Control-Shift-P. Of course, doesn't work. Of course, not on the right one. Control-Shift-P. All right, there we go. So Control-Shift-P will get you here. You select the Python interpreter, and you want to select the latest one. I don't know why. We have two versions here. Anyway, select the latest one. Okay. Next, we're going to enable the format on save. It's one last helpful setting. So you go to File, Preferences, Settings, and here we see this. Format on save. Formats. There we go. Format on save mode. Format on. This is what you want to check right here. That way the formatter will run automatically and everything will be prettied up. All right. So let's give this a test. We're going to file, new file, do a Python file. And what to do is print no coding Nathan. Right. that is all. And right click, run Python in file. Okay, we are going to name this test. Okay. And here you can see we have output our line. All right. We are now complete. So that's it. You now have Python and VS Code fully set up and ready to start learning with us. In the next video, we're going to build our very first project, a fun number guessing game in Python. This video helped you. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Coding with Nathan for more beginner Python tutorials. Drop a comment, let me know. Did everything install successfully? Any problems? And I'll see what I can do.